Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare.
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। श्री कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपीकांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। बोलो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की
जय
जय।
जय। हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा रीना जी। हरे कृष्णा निशा।
हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा। Everyone doing good. Hare Krishna Shivam.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Right. So 1.7.55 Canto 1 Adhyaya 7 and Shlok 55. This is about Ashwathama. Right. So how Ashwathama is punished is what is this chapter is all about. So Sutta Uvacha Arjuna se sagyaya Hare hardam mathasina manim jahara murdhanyam dvijasya sahamurdhajam. Soham, do you want to read?
Okay. Sutta Goswami said, just then Arjun could understand the motive of the Lord by his equivocal orders, and thus with his sword he serves both hair and jewel from the head of Ashwatthama.
Right. So Ashwathama, as we know, he had a jewel on his head, money on his head, right? We all know that. And so Manim Jaharam, Manim Jahar. So Arjun takes out his money jewel. Now jewel was the source. So that's why Ashwathama was so powerful, because of that money. And actually Ashwathama की जो कहानी है, अश्वत्थामा जी का जब जन्म हुआ तो कैसे जन्म हुआ, right? So that is Guru Dronacharya. He did tapasya for a long time, Lord Shiva, and then he wanted a son which is equally powerful, you know, like Lord Shiva. And then Lord Shiva, so it is also mentioned that Ashwathama is actually Bhagwan Shiv ke hi ansh hai, ansh the. Actually ansh hai because it's supposed that Ashwathama is still alive.
Immortal.
Yeah, alive in this world, and that's another story behind that, right? So that's what Ashwathama is. So powerful, and so powerful with his money, right? And that with Lord Krishna's order, Arjun takes out that money. Nisha?
विमुच्चरशनाबद्धं बालहत्याहतप्रभं तेजसा मणिनाहीनं शिबिरान्निरयापयत्. He, Ashwathama, has already lost his bodily luster due to infanticide, and now, moreover, having lost the jewel from his head, and he lost even more strength. Thus, he was unbound and driven out of the camp. Hare Krishna.
Reena ji?
Vapnam Dravidadanam Ananyapanam Tatha Esha hi Brahma Bandhunam Vadho Nanyavasti Dehika. Cutting the hair from his head, depriving him of his wealth and driving him from his residence are the prescribed punishments for the relative of a Brahmana. There is no injunction for killing the body. Hare Krishna.
Right? So Ashwatthama getting punished. Yeah. Mukesh?
पुत्र शोकातुरः सर्वे पांडवः सह कृष्णया स्वानाम मृतानाम यत् कृत्यम चुक्रनेहर अनादिकम. Thereafter the sons of Pandu and Draupadi, overwhelmed with grief, performed the proper rituals for the dead bodies of their relatives.
Relatives. And actually so does end of the Bhakti Vedanta purports of the first canto, 7th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled The Son of Drona Punished. So bolo Srimad Bhagavatam ki
Jai.
So we completed 7th adhyay today. So that's pretty good. Right? So let's continue with chapter 8. And chapter 8 is about the prayers by Queen Kunti. So Kunti, we all know, the mother of all the Pandavas, she prays to Lord Krishna in this particular chapter. And then how Parikshit, and Parikshit is the son of
Uttara and Abhimanyu.
Uttara and Abhimanyu, right? So how Lord Krishna says Parikshit, and then how Queen Kunti prays to Lord Krishna is what we are going to read in this particular adhyay. Okay, so let's go with the text 1. Mukesh?
Sut Uvaj Athte Sampuretanam Swana Mudak Kamichatam Datum Sakrishna Gayam Puraskritya Yayostriya. Suta Goswami said, thereafter the Pandavas, desiring to deliver water to the dead relatives who had desired it, went to Ganges with Draupadi. The ladies walked in front.
Right, so Gangayam, right? So they all go to the Ganga river. Sumit?
ते निनियोदकं सर्वविलप्य च भृशं पुनः अप्लुतः हरिपादाम्बुरुदब्जरजः पुता सर्जुज्जले. Having lamented over them and sufficiently offered Ganges water, they bathed in Ganges, whose water is sanctified due to being mixed with the dust of the lotus feet of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
All right, so Ganga Nadi में स्नान करते हैं. What is being said? Hari Padabja Raja hai. Yeah. So Hari के चरणों से, श्री कृष्ण भगवान के चरणों कमल की रज है, रज से पानी got sanctified, purified, right? Poot Sari Jale. Poot is Pavitra, and Sari Jale, the whole Jal. So आप लुता हरि पादाब्ज रज है, पूत सरी जले, whose water got sanctified due to being mixed with the dust of the lotus feet of the Lord. Tatrasinam kurupatim dhritarashtra sahanujam gandharim putra shokarta pitham krishnam cha madhavaha. So,
The Battle of Kurukshetra was fought between family members.
read the translation. So,
There sat the king of the Kurus, Maharaj Yudhishthira along with his younger brothers and Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, Kunti, and Draupadi, all overwhelmed with grief. Lord Krishna was also there. Hare Krishna.
Right, so everyone is sitting at the Ganga river. Who all are sitting? Tatrasinam. Who? Kurupatim. Who is Kurupatim?
Dhritarashtra.
Right. So that's why I wanted to ask this. So here Kurupatim is Yudhishthira. So they have won the war.
Yeah,
And now Yudhishthira is declared as Kurupatim. So what has happened is they are all Kuru dynasty, right? But when Pandavas and Kauravas, they got into the battle, so that's where Panduputra started being called as Panduputra. Or the Dhritarashtra ke putra the, because Dhritarashtra was the king, he was called Kurupatim, right? But now that the war has been won, Yudhishthira is Kurupatim. Okay, so king of the Kurus, right? It says king of the Kurus. Who is that? Maharaj Yudhishthira. And he is sitting with Dhritarashtra though, right? So he is there with Dhritarashtra and Sahanujam, like all the brothers. Anuj, Sahanujam, right? And also Gandhari is there. Pritham is there. Who is Pritham?
Lord Pritham is
Kunti, right?
Kunti. Yeah.
That's Arjun's mother, Pritham. And who is Krishnam?
Lord Krishna.
Draupadi is also called Krishna.
Right? So Draupadi is also called Krishna. And Che Madhava, Madhava of course, Lord Krishna himself. So they are all sitting overwhelmed with the grief because so much damage has been done in the war. They are all sitting at the Ganga rivers. Sanatriyamas muni bihat bandhu shuchapitan bhuteshu kalasya gatim darsayanna pratikriyam. Shivam?
Citing the stringent laws of the Almighty and their reactions upon living things, Lord Sri Krishna and the Munis began to pacify those who were shocked and affected.
Right, so everybody is shocked and affected, but then Lord Krishna and all the Munis, Rishis are trying to pacify them. Anil?
Yes. Sadhyitva jatashatro samrajyam kitvairtam ghатитва vasato ragyaha kachasparshakshataयुshah. The clever Duryodhan and his party cunningly usurped the kingdom of Yudhishthira, who had no enemy. By the grace of the Lord, the recovery was executed, and the unscrupulous kings who joined with Duryodhana were killed by him. Others also died, the duration of life having decreased for the rough handling of the hair of Queen Draupadi. Shri Krishna.
तो हम सबको पता है महाभारत कैसे शुरू हुई, and then because of Duryodhan, all this thing started, but by the grace of Lord Krishna, the recovery was executed with Lord Yudhishthira being the Kurupati. Nisha?
याजयित्वाक्ष्वमेवध्यस्तं त्रिभिरुक्तं कल्पकेः तद्यशः पावनं दिक्षु शतमन्योरिवातनोत्. Lord Sri Krishna caused 3 well-performed Ashwamedha Yagna or sacrifices to be conducted by Maharaja Yudhishthir, and thus caused his virtuous fame to be glorified in all directions, like that of Indra, who had performed 100 such sacrifices. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Lord Indra had done Shat, like 100 Ashwamedha and Ashwamedha Stam. So that's what Yudhishthira Maharaj, he did 3 Ashwamedha sacrifices. Rinaji?
आमन्त्र्य पाण्डुपुत्रांश्च सैन्योध्वसंयुतः द्वैपायनादिभिर्विप्रये पूजिते प्रतिपूजितः. Lord Sri Krishna then prepared for his departure. He invited the sons of Pandu after having been worshipped by the Brahmanas, headed by Srila Vyasadeva. The Lord also reciprocated greetings. Hare Krishna.
Right. So none other than Sri Vyasadeva is heading all these rishis and worshipping Lord Sri Krishna. Pujite prati pujita. Sumit?
गन्तुं कृतामर्ति ब्रह्मणं द्वारकं रथमस्तथ उपलेभिर्बिन्दावान्ति मुक्तरं भयविलालाम्. As soon as he seated himself on the chariot to start for Dwarka, he saw Uttara hurrying towards him in fear. Hare Krishna.
Uttara, Abhimanyu's wife.
Yes.
Mukesh?
Uttravach. Pahi pahi mahayogin dev dev jagatpate nanyam tvad bhayam pashe yatra mithyu parasparam. Uttara said, O Lords of Lord, Lord of the universe, you are the greatest of mystics. Please protect me, for there is no one else who can save me from these clutches of death in this world of duality.
All right. So Uttara is saying to whom?
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna, right? Who is the Lord of the Lords? Lord of the universe is Lord Krishna. Abhidravati Mamisha Sharastapataya Sho Vibhu Kamam Dehatu Mam Nathama Me Garbho Nipatyam Tatam. So,
O my Lord, you are all powerful. A fiery iron arrow is coming towards me fast. My Lord, let it burn me personally if you so desire, but please do not let it burn. Abort my embryo. Please do me this favor, my Lord.
right. So Uttara is praying for what? Right. So she has Maharaj Parikshit in her womb, and she is praying to save Parikshit Maharaj. Sutta uvacha upadhaya vachastasya bhagavan bhaktavatsalah pandavam kartum dronerastram buddhata. Shivam?
Sutta Goswami said, having patiently heard her words, Lord Sri Krishna, who is always very affectionate to his devotees, could at once understand that Asvathama, the son of Dronacharya, had thrown the Brahmastra to finish the last life in the Pandava family.
Right. Because he was the only son, right? Parikshit in Uttara's home, that they can continue the Kuru dynasty. If Parikshit Maharaj is gone, then who is going to run the Kuru dynasty? So that was the last life in the Pandav family. Okay.
Tarhe ivat munishresht pandavaha panch sayakhan atmano abhimukhandi patana lakshya stra panayo paduda. O foremost among the great thinkers, Munis, Saunka, seeing the glaring Brahmastra proceeding towards them, the Pandavas took up their 5 respective weapons.
Anilji?
व्यसनं वीक्ष्य तत्तेषामनन्य विषयात्मनां सुदर्शनेन स्वास्त्रेणेन स्वनां रक्षां व्यधादिवः. The Almighty Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, having observed that a great danger was befalling his unalloyed devotees who were fully surrendered souls, at once took up his Sudarshana disc to protect them. Hare Krishna.
So, by the fact that Brahmastra was coming, Lord Krishna took his darshan to protect everyone. So the beauty. So in Brahmastra, what happens is they aim at certain aspect and it goes and hits directly there. So Ashwathama aimed the Brahmastra at Uttara's womb because he wanted to stop the whole Kuru dynasty. Okay, so Lord Krishna is now taking up Sudarshan Chakra to protect that. Rinaji?
Yeah. Antastha sarvabhutanatma yogeshwaro hari swamayayar vrinodgarbha vairatya kurutantave. The Lord of Supreme Mysticism, Sri Krishna, resides within everyone's heart as the Paramatma. As such, just to protect the progeny of the Kuru dynasty, he covered the embryo of Uttara by his personal energy. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So what is being said about Sri Krishna is Antah istah Sarva Bhutana Atma. So Sarva Bhutanam, all जीव, सब जीवों की आत्माओं में के अंदर अंतःस्थ is Yogeshwaro Hari है. Is Lord Sri Krishna Paramatma resides in everyone's Atma. Now here he is protecting Kuru Tantave, is protecting Uttara's embryo by his personal energy. Nisha?
यद्यप्यस्त्रं ब्रह्मशिरस्त्वमोघं च प्रतिक्रियं वैष्णवं तेज आसाद्य समशाम्यद्भृगुत्वः. O Saunaka, glory of Bhrugu's family, although the supreme Brahmastra weapon released by Ashwathama was irresistible and without check or counteraction, it was neutralized and foiled when confronted by the strength of the Vishnu Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna.
All right, so neutralized by Sudarshan Chakra. The Brahmastra was neutralized by Sudarshan Chakra. And glory of Bhrigu's family. So, say Bhrigu जो है, so Sonak Muni was the head of all the rishis at name is Aranya, right? Who is asking Sud Goswami Ji Maharaj all these questions, and Sud Goswami Ji Maharaj is reciting now. So Sonak Muni is also in the Bhrigu Rishi's dynasty, right? So glory of Bhrigu's family. You might have heard about Bhrigu Rishi, right? So there is so much about Bhrigu Rishi. So that's how Sud Goswami Maharaj is addressing Sonak is glory of Bhrigu's family. Sumit?
मांसंथा होता दाश्चर्य सर्वोश्चयमय चित्ते या idam मायाया दिव्या सृजा तयवती hantyajah. O Brahman, do not think this is to be especially wonderful in the activities of the mysterious and infallible personality of Godhead. By his own transcendental energy, he creates, maintains, and annihilates all material things, although he himself is unborn. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So Sud Goswami Ji Maharaj is telling Sonak Muni and all the rishis that is Lord Krishna. He creates, maintains, annihilates all this world just by his energy, Maya, but he himself is unborn. Ajah hai. Okay? Is unborn. I think so. We only have 2 minutes. I think we'll stop here. Right? Any comments, questions? We will hear that pratna which we had started before a couple of days. Let's try to complete that.
प्रभु